In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Agoda account. If you've decided you no longer want to use Agoda or you're just trying to clean up old online accounts, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow and point out a few things to keep in mind along the way. Before you start, make sure you're already logged into your Agoda account. This is important because you can't delete the account from the login page or as a guest. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and sign in using your usual details. Then once you're on your main Agoda homepage or dashboard, you're ready to continue. Next, look for your profile picture or profile icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen on the website or in the account area if you're using the app. Click on your profile picture and a menu will open. From that menu, select the option labeled Profile. This will take you to your main account profile page where your personal information and user details are stored. On the profile page, find the section called User Details. This is where Agoda keeps information such as your name, email address, and other basic account data. Scroll down through this section slowly so you don't miss anything. Near the bottom of the user details area, you should see an option that says Delete My Account. When you see Delete My Account, click on it. This is the option that starts the account deletion process. At this stage, Agoda may show you a warning or an explanation about what deleting your account means. Typically, this will remind you that deleting your account is permanent and that you may lose access to your booking history, saved preferences, and any stored details associated with that account. You will be asked to confirm that you really want to delete your account. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions. Read the message on the screen carefully. Make sure you don't have any upcoming bookings or important information you still need from your account. If you do have active reservations, it's usually better to manage or complete those first before you remove your account so you avoid any confusion later. If you're sure you want to continue, go ahead and confirm the deletion. You might be asked to confirm again or provide a short reason, depending on Agoda's current process. Follow whatever on-screen prompts you see until you reach the final confirmation. Once you've confirmed, submit the request. This final action tells Agoda to process the deletion of your account. After you submit, you may receive a confirmation message on the screen or an email letting you know that your deletion request has been received. In some cases, the account may be deactivated immediately. In other cases, it might be scheduled for deletion after a short period. And that's all you need to do. You've gone from logging in to opening your profile, finding the user details section, choosing to delete your account, confirming the decision, and submitting your request.